Hey guys, Adam here with AmericanMuscle.com. Today we're taking a closer look at and installing the SpeedForm quarter window louvers in the pre-painted finish available for the 05 to 14 Mustang Coupe. You should be checking this out if you're looking for an affordable solution to your quarter window louvers to give you a nice modern spin on a very classic mod. What we have here is pre-painted in-house right here at American Muscle to all of your factory paint colors. We've got our 2014 GT here pre-painted part in our deep impact blue. And as you can see, blends in perfectly with our S197. This is gonna be for the guys looking for a very simple 5-slot design that covers the entirety of the quarter window. There's a ton of quarter window louvers in the category with a lot of different styling, from a more modern spin to a classic spin and everything in between. These here offer that full cover design. Some of them on the market will actually just cover the window itself without touching your paint. So it's really all personal preference. I really like this one. It does look a lot bigger than some of the ones in the category. It has a little bit more of a modern feel to it, which I think blends in nicely with our new 2014. Now, this one is designed with an ABS construction, so it's impact resistant, crack resistant, scratch resistant, UV resistant. It looks really good and has a durability to back it up. Now this one comes in right around 130 bucks for the pair, which I think is a great price. Some of them can reach upwards of 300 bucks for the pair, so this one definitely cuts down the impact on your wallet. Now one thing I like to point out is that the slots on this one are very, very narrow, but you can see outward from the inside through these small openings. Now some pre-painted parts in the category, you can see the inside, which is typically not painted. So because these are such narrow slots, that won't be the case here. You won't be able to see bare materials on the inside. Now, with the install, I'm gonna say 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Anybody can tackle it, especially because the 3M is already applied for you to the back side. I'm gonna take you guys through the process. What do you say we get started? Took me about 20 minutes, should take you about the same. Tools used in this install include soap and water mixture in a squirt bottle, clean microfiber towel, and an alcohol wipe. First step here, grab an alcohol wipe. We're gonna clean all around our window. Now keep in mind that the 3M isn't actually sticking to the window on this particular set of louvers. It's actually gonna go around on our paint. If you need to, you can grab a soap and water mixture in a squirt bottle and a microfiber and clean this off. Ours isn't too bad, so the alcohol will do the trick. Now what I like to do is basically peel off the red backing on our 3M that's preset onto the back of our louvers. Peel it off and fold it back so it's outside. You don't wanna peel the entire backing off just yet. We'll do that once we line it up. So grab your louver. You're basically gonna line this up over your quarter window, get it nice and straight, exactly where you want it. Press on lightly to get it to hold its position. From here, grab that backing, just peel it off. All right, once you get that backing peeled off, put pressure all around your 3M, holding it for a little bit to let it set. Now you can repeat for the other side. Now that's gonna wrap up my quick overview and install for the SpeedForm quarter window louvers in the pre-painted finish, in our case deep impact blue, available for the 05 to 14 Mustang Coupe. Check these out from SpeedForm right here exclusively at AmericanMuscle.com.